We're about to come into Old Town Florence. We've really had a great time here in Florence, Oregon. And we're about to come up to a bridge here. And off to the right of this bridge is where me and Chris met some great new friends, Susie and Donnie. And we had a great time catching crab, and then they showed us how to clean them and cook them, and we had fresh crab. It was so delicious. It was so good. And that was right off to the right here. You can't really see them, but there's some piers down there. We saw sea lions and sea ducks and seals, and it was just a wonderful time. This is just a beautiful old bridge. Really a pretty old town. Here we come into Old Town Florence. A bunch of cute little family-run shops. Really, really nice. Great people. And that was it. Old Town Florence. Now I'm going to head into regular Florence and do some grocery shopping. See you later.